At Montair, we aim to achieve the highest quality of flight training available on the market today. The way that we do that is to work with the world's major airlines to try and incorporate their best practices into our standard operating procedures. One of the most common items of feedback that we've received from our past graduates and their current employers is that they've found the transition into larger, more complex aircraft as seamless as possible. I believe this is because we aim to ensure that all students graduating Montair have a strong foundation of their pilot skills, both practical and theoretical. With this foundation, they are able to easily adapt to the requirements of each aircraft type and its operator.
I've been working here at Montair Aviation for 2 years as a flying instructor. And I've been in aviation for the last 10 years, ever since I was in the Canadian Air Cadets. The biggest thing I learned here at Montair was the proper use and implementation of standard operating procedures, SOPs. And not just in airline operations, but I feel like in any complex operations, SOPs is a big way of showing your professionalism, not just outside the aircraft, but also flying the aircraft as well.
My name is Danielle Chetner and I'm originally from Penticton, BC. I first got into aviation about 3 years ago when I started working for Air Canada as a flight attendant, and I knew as soon as I started the training that I eventually wanted to be able to fly the plane. I really like that Montair has different career path options at the end of the program. I also think that all of the connections that I've made so far at Montair will definitely be beneficial in the years to come.
The core skill that underlines everything we do at Montair is safety first. In order to help achieve this safety, we put a large focus on scenario-based training. We believe this type of training provides students with all the skills and knowledge required to safely execute on any task or mission they may encounter during their professional pilot careers. Yeah, upon the initial employment, all of our instructors have to go through a vigorous indoctrination and standardisation training program. They also have to complete constant update training throughout their employment. Professionally, we have instructors with many different backgrounds, from science to business, as well as former charter and airline pilots, meaning that there's always someone that can answer almost every question.
Everyone at Montair seems to be very safety conscious and take it very seriously. I know from working in an airline that safety is always top priority, and it seems like everybody at Montair thinks that way as well. And the partnership with Air Georgian I think will be a great stepping stone to eventually getting to Air Canada as a pilot.
Like every other industry, partnerships are great at building confidence in the company. And Montair is no exception to this. They bring dedication and hard work to the company, and that's what we're looking for.
We only choose the highest quality flight schools to ensure that the safety standards and the training standards are all up to par with those of Air Georgian.
When new Montair instructors arrive at Air Georgian, they bring with them 100% or success rate through the training program with Air Georgian. They're professional, and they bring their sense of enjoyment to the company.
Our store partnerships are a big part of our success and our future at Air Georgian. We have a history with Montair of their instructors showing up, putting in the hard work and dedication, and succeeding at Air Georgian. And we thank Montair for the culture they have built and the pilots and instructors that they continue to train and develop.
I love the flexibility and the lifestyle of working in the airline, and I've always loved traveling and seeing new places, so to me being a pilot is my dream job.